Want to get started as a day trader, but you're feeling a little lost or you don't know where to start? Don't worry, I got you. I will walk you through step by step on how to get started as a beginner and give you some platforms and even tools that can help you become a successful day trader. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so real quick, I am not here to sell you a course or to get you to buy a stock. I am just here to walk you through step by step on how to get started as a day trader. I will break it down in simple English so that you can take these steps as actionable steps to get started today. Let's go. First things first, let's cover what exactly is day trading. Day trading is buying and selling stocks or crypto within the same day to profit off of price movements. It's definitely risky, but a lot of people love it because you can make a lot of money within a certain small time frame. One thing that I will say is that I would focus on either stocks or crypto just because those are two different things. So as soon as you figure out if you want to focus on stocks or crypto, you can proceed to the next step. So let's talk about what you'll need to get started. You'll need a brokerage account. So you can use platforms like Webull or Robinhood so that you can begin to make your entry points. The next thing you'll need to figure out is an amount of money that you feel comfortable risking. Keep in mind, when you are investing your own money, you have to be okay with potentially losing that amount. Choose an amount that you're okay with losing potentially. Me, on the other hand, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research when you are looking at certain stocks or crypto to buy with your own money. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, you have your platforms, you have the amount that you want to invest, you will go in to figure out which stocks or ETFs to purchase. Now again, this part is super crucial because you need to spend some time to figure out which stocks or ETFs you want to purchase. This takes time. Do not just purchase any kind of stock that you see just because it's going up that day. What's going up will always come down. So just remember that. Another thing to take into account is choosing ETFs or stocks with high volume, like Apple, Tesla, Spotify. These are just a few to name just because they are very high in volume. If you do not want to use your own money, you can use fake money, which is called paper trading. So this is fake money that you can use and you do not have to use your own funds. Step number 4, you need to figure out the candle charts. One tool that I really like to use is TradingView. When you are day trading, you will use charts like TradingView so that you can understand where you're going to put your entries in and where you're going to sell. So this is very important. You need to understand the full process of learning how to read candlesticks, learning the support and resistance lines, and also learning the moving averages. And step number 5, this is when you decide to put in your trade. Now, if you're a day trader where you're trading stocks or ETFs, the stock market closes at a certain time period. When to start to trade? Look at putting entries between 9:30 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. Why? Because normally the market will begin to wake up around the opening time, which is usually about 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that's best for volatility. Okay, so step number 5 is to figure out the best time when to trade. When do you put your entries in? You need to understand that the stock market, it operates off of different time zones. Primarily, it's the Eastern Standard Time zone. If you put your trade in between 9:30 and 11:30 a.m., that'll be the best volatility. I cannot stress this enough. Please do not trade based off of emotion. It's very, very easy. Trust me, I know. It's so easy to trade based off of emotion, but you have to get where you're not trading based off of emotion. You're trading based off of facts. Always remember that. Another thing is to probably skip the meme stocks or crypto tokens just because they are the most volatile and they will go up and they will come right back down crashing. So if you're not watching it or paying attention, you can lose a lot of money. So to wrap this video up, we know how to get started. We know which platforms, the tools to use, and then also the time zones and when to enter into a trade. And also doing your own research on the certain stocks that you should buy or stocks, ETFs, crypto that you should buy that has the most volume. Now that we all know that, you have to keep in mind that day trading is a skill. It's a skill that you have to learn just just like anything else. Most people, in fact, will lose money. And I'm telling you like it is because it's the truth. I've seen it happen. You have to take the emotion out of it. You have to be smart here. Always trade based off of facts alone. And that's why using tools like TradingView will help you chart when are good entry points and understanding the candlesticks and moving averages. So once you get more familiarized with that, I would suggest that you use paper money instead of your real money so that you can learn and get more comfortable. Then once you're making a lot of money using fake money, you can use your own money. Another thing is to journal your trades, to make sure that you're writing down all the trades that you're taking, the times that you're entering those trades, and just understanding those price points so that you can get better as you progress in this journey. It is a journey. You have to keep that in mind. All right, so that's it. That's all I have as far as how to get started with day trading in 2025. If you liked what you saw, then feel free to comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.